Donald Trump's federal election case is moving closer to trial, and the courtroom chase game is intensifying. From pretrial motions to witness list, every move matters in what could be the most consequential criminal trial of a former US president in history. Today on Talkpoint, we break down the latest precedents, the legal strategies, and what at stake before the trial even begins. Trump released in 2020 Capitol riot footage DOJ seal. This case stems from the Department of Justice indictment accusing Trump of conspiring to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. The charges include conspiracy to defraud the United States, obstruction of an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights, all tied to the events leading up to and following January 6, 2021. Trump has pleaded not guilty, calling the prosecution politically motivated. Prosecutors argue this is about protecting democracy and the peaceful transfer of power. Courtroom interests, lawyers exchanging documents, headlines about motions. In the last week, several major developments have shaped the pre-trial stage. Trump's legal team has filed multiple motions to dismiss, arguing that the charges violated his First Amendment rights and that presidential immunity protects his actions while in office. The judge, however, has signaled skepticism toward the immunity claim, pointing to past rulings that presidents are not shielded from criminal accountability once they leave office. Prosecutors led by Special Counsel Jack Smith have pushed for a protective order to limit what evidence Trump can discuss publicly, citing concerns about witness intimidation and jury tampering. Confidential documents blurred out stacks of legal files, FBI evidence, photos. One of the most hated disputes involves the witness list. Prosecutors plan to call former Trump administration officials, campaign aides, and law enforcement officers who were present during key moments in late 2020 and early 2021. Trump's lawyers are seeking to exclude certain testimony, particularly from witnesses they claim have political to personal bias. They are also challenging the admissibility to text messages, memos, and recorded calls that prosecutors have say prove a coordinated effort to subvert the election's result. Chase prices moving, animated legal flowcharts, news analysts speaking. For Trump's defense team, the strategy is clear: delay, discredit, and dispute. They have requested more time to review what they call millions of pages of discovery materials, arguing that returning the case would deny Trump a fair trial. Prosecutors, on the other hand, are pressing for speed, insisting the public has a right to a timely resolution before the 2025 election cycle fully heats up. Both sides are also fighting over jury selection rules, knowing that in such a politically charged case, finding impartial juries could be nearly impossible. 2025 campaign rallies, post graphics, social media posts about the trial. This case is not playing out in a political vacuum. Trump remains the leading Republican contender in the 2025 race, and his legal troubles have, if anything, solidified support among his base. Democrats argue that no one, not even a former president, should be above the law. Republicans are split, with some defending Trump as a victim of political prosecution and others expressing concern about the optimistic heading into the election. Calendar passages turning, courthouse exterior, gavel, hating block. The next pre-trial hearing is set for later this month, where the judge will rule on key motions that could shape the entire trial. A final trial date has yet to be locked in, but legal experts say it could start early as late fall, right in the heart of campaign season. This is more than just a legal battle, it's a test of the rule of law and the resilience of American democracy. We'll be following every twist and turn right here on Talkpoint. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for our next deep dive.